So if you are married to an Urobo man, just know that you are going to be preparing this soup because it's one of their favorites. That is the Ugo soup and Banga soup. Lovis, I just got back from the market and these are the items I got from the market today. I want to make banga soup and this is my palm fruit. I'm going to pour this into this bowl now. Pour it into the bowl.
You put it inside the bowl.
Yeah. If you know this is periwinkle. For those that don't know this is one of those seafood. I got this to make my banga. I'm going to add it to the banga when I'm cooking. And this is my granite oil. This came with it. They have a free gift that is going on right now. This is the free gift that came together with this soya oil. And I got these onions. I'm going to pour it into my onions basket. I got this cashew nut also. This one I bought it for 5,000 naira. And this one is 9k. Then I got chai seeds.
Chai seed.
And this chai seed, it has so many benefits, and some of the benefits are written here. And I got this olive oil also. This olive oil, I bought it for 15,000 naira, as small as this bottle. As small as this bottle. And I got my ginger. Let's put this one to the side. I got my ginger, and this ginger I'm going to use this ginger to make tiger nut drink. I got this nutmeg, and I bought cinnamon powder. I also bought vanilla, and I got this bottles to add to the ones I already have at home. Skincare products, that is what is in this bag. I bought these grains to make cereal for my baby girl. I just like to leave them here till I decide to make them. So inside here is yellow corn, guinea corn, millet, and wheat. So this is the protein I'm using to make the banga soup. It is so frozen. I just brought it out from the freezer. I'm going to defreeze this now by using hot water. Lovelies, good morning. It's currently past 11, so we are still in the morning, and right now I want to go and make that banga soup I showed you guys yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. I bought the things I need to prepare the soup, but I was really tired, very tired yesterday, so I could not continue. So we are going to make it today. We are going to make that soup today. I'm going to show you guys how we make Delta Banga soup. If you don't know what banga soup is palm nut fruits. Yes, palm nut fruits, that is what will match, and the juice, that is what we use to make this soup. So I already have a recipe on that in this channel. I'm going to leave the video in the description so you can check it. So the way I prepare that soup in that video is kind of different from the one I want to show you today, because that one is fresh fish for my protein. Why for this one I'm using my beef as my protein. Yeah, there are different ways to prepare banga soup. Yes, so Delta states we have two major, that is the Urobo tribe. We have two major native soup, that is the Ogo soup and banga soup. So yeah, I'm making the banga soup today. If you'd like to see how they prepare Ogo soup, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to show you that. Okay. So yeah, while we make that soup, I made yogurt. I made yogurt and it's still in the fermentation stage, so we are going to check that out right now while preparing the banga for the soup. Okay, so it's in the fermentation stage. So I have a full recipe coming up for that video on how to make yogurt. So I'm not going to give you the detail in this video. You want to watch that video to get the full detail of how to make yogurt, because I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know. But yeah, we are in the fermentation stage now, and I'm going to show you guys the results, how it came out. Okay, I'm so excited to do this with you guys. Are you excited? Are you excited to see the results of my yogurt today? Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys. Okay. So yeah, let's just go straight into this kitchen, straight into the kitchen and perform the magic. Lovely, this is my banga. I'm going to put it on the heat now to cook it again before I match it. So while this is cooking, I'm going to check on my yogurt I made. It is right here in the oven. I don't know if you can see this. It is right here in the oven. Can you see it? So I'm going to check on my yogurt right now and check if it's fermented really well. Okay. This mortar I'm using to match my banga is a gift from my mom. I did not buy mortar. She gifted me this, and this is a gift to take to marriage. That is how you do it here. This is the tradition. Your mom must give you a gift to take along when you are going to your husband's house, and this is the gift that was given to me. Let me know in the comment section if it is the same thing in your country, if you are watching from a different country, or if you are in Nigeria and you're in a different state. Let me know if it's the same way you guys do it in your states. Delta Igbo, that is how we do it. I'm done pounding, and this is the banga juice we are going to use to make the banga soup. This is so thick. I washed this twice. I washed the fruit twice to get this quantity. You need to wash it more than once so that you can squeeze out all the juice. So these are all the ingredients we'll be using to make this banga soup. This is my prawn, dry prawn. Here we call it a bakwe fish. While these are my spices. This is the flat one. This is the round one. I'm using just these spices. I'm not using any sachet ones or the other type. There are different spices to make your banga soup, but this is the ones I'm using today. Then this is my dry bitter leaf and beletete. If you know the English name for this, please let me know. Then this is my scotch bonnet and onions I'm going to use. Then this is the periwinkle I'm using, and dry this is my crayfish. I'm going to blend it together with these ones, while this is my protein already cooked, and this is my cow skin. So these are the ingredients I'm using to make this banga soup.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. the night. Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky. Just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Lovelies, we are done cooking, and this is the result of our food. This is how my food is looking. And yeah, this is stash. I made stash, and this is the soup. I put it in this native pot, this clay pot. Yeah, it is called ewere. So that the soup can dry very well. I've done that already. I've dried it again. Yes, and this is how my stash is. See, I'm not eating this alone. No, it's me and Obi, so don't think I'm going to eat this two portion here. If you marry a Yoruba man, just know say you go to cook this food. This is how my soup is looking. This is from the Niger Delta. Yes, Niger Delta food. So if you are married to an Yoruba man, just know that you are going to be preparing this soup, because it's one of their favorite soup, and it is often paired with this stash. Come and join me.